welcome back. Today we're at the Magic Kingdom. It's our first time to Walt Disney World, so we're super excited to check out all the parks and see what there is to do here.
Ya, es nuestra primera vez visitando el mundo de Disney, así que acompáñanos a nuestra aventura.
I think we're going to start with the Jungle Cruise and see some exotic animals.
Vamos a empezar con el crucero de la jungla.
Butterflies, okay? Their wingspans can grow from 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot, making them the rulers of the jungle. Yeah, some of the best monarchs we've ever had. Over here is Inspiration Falls. Now, legend has it, if you look deep into its flowing, gushing waters, that it inspires you to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Back later, and if you don't like fish, don't worry. They do have something called Snake Surprise. I don't really know why it's called that, but whoop, surprise, that's a snake. Now that there's a python. You know how I know it's a python and not a boa? Yeah, it doesn't have any feathers. Oh my, guys, that's not what Dr. Cod meant when he said to break camp, and you know it. And would you look at that truck, folks? Oh my goodness, you know, he's been trying to get that thing started all week. They finally got it to turn over. Yeah, they must have used a monkey wrench or something. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to stay in Africa, but we're actually going to head over to the Nile River. It is one of the longest rivers in the world, going on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're in Africa. Pay attention. Yeah. Now this right here is a very rare African elephant. Yeah, take as many photos as you can, folks. You're never going to see another one of those again, okay? I've been here for like 9 or so months, and that's the only one I've... Have you ever seen an armadillo? Yeah, that's an armadillo. This here is Dwayne. He is one of our Boulder attractions. A lot of people take him for granted, but I think he really rocks. And I guess now he's in like a movie or something. I don't know. Anyway, here in the African belt, we have lots of fun animals. We've got some long-necked cheetahs, some Chevy Impalas, some gazebos. I think those guys were friends with Mufasa at one point. Aw, would you look at that pride of lions, folks? They're just protecting that zebra as he takes a nap. That is so sweet of them. You know, he does look dead. Tired. That tired. So we're just going to go ahead and let him rest. In pieces. Uh-oh. Okay. If you think you're having a bad day, the second guy down, that's whose camp we just passed. Hey, Dr. Cohen! Your camp! It's broken! Okay, good talk. Yeah, they got Skipper Felix, and it's his first day today. And more than likely his last, because I have no idea where his boat is. Alberta's not going to be happy about that one. Over here are our gal pals, Smiley and Ginger. Just be careful, Ginger does snap. She's one tough cookie and unlike myself does not crumble under pressure. Straight ahead is Dwight Falls. It is named after our founder here at the Jungle Cruise, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah. It's a waterfall joke. If you don't get it, we'll go over it later. You feel that nice mist on your face? Yeah. Hundreds and hundreds of jungle bacteria. You're welcome. Trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty. Oh, works for hippos and works for me. Who would have thought? You know, a lot of people tend to think my job is easy. You get in a boat, you make up facts about animals, you make fun of Felix. I like to say that any old chimp can do it. Okay, well, you know what? Joke's on you because those are apes. Yeah, that's enough monkey business for me. Let's go ahead and make like a banana and leave. Oh, okay, guys, be cool, be cool. My work car's just around the corner. How's my hair? Is my hair okay? It doesn't look like Cambodia, where we have the temple goddess, Shirley. And, looks like we're headed straight for Shirley's temple. Okay, here's... something to celebrate. But be careful, friends. If you stay in the shower too long, you too will turn into an elephant. Yeah, it happened to me once. Who am I kidding? I don't shower. Look, folks, two babies playing under a full moon. You don't see that every day. Yeah. Don't be afraid to take as many photos as you like, folks. They all do have their trunks on. Yeah. Now, unfortunately, our 3-week cruise together is coming to an end. I know, it's so sad. It felt like 10 minutes, maybe 12. You might notice that some things have gone missing during your journey, and that's okay. It happens. It's a shop where you'll find everything you've been looking for at just a ridiculous price. Now, it does look like Trader Sam is currently out getting more items for the shop. Did you know that people just leave strollers of stuff lying around? It's crazy.
Speak up, or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheating.
Look, there he is.
There he is. Ahí está.
Soldier boy.
Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10. Come, touch Power's face. When you stand, it's only me what's got the goods. Keep still. I'm studying.
Huele quemado.
Spinning with us. strong family. Feel free to join in anytime. I will be loved by all knowledge and death.
Really?
had a great day today at the Magic Kingdom today. We tried to record some different rides, but it didn't work out very well. Unfortunately, our cameras do not work very good in the dark. It's just like straight black. But anyways, we had a real great time today. We got to ride the Jungle Cruise, Pirates of the Caribbean, Thunder Mountain, Space Mountain. There was still a lot we didn't get to do because we actually got a pretty late start to the day, later than we were planning, but still we had a great time. It was really fun. What was your first time at Disney World?
I just love it. Me encantó. I have no complaints. I love it just as everybody that comes over here.
Yeah, and what was your favorite?
Space Mountain was totally my favorite.
Yeah, I mean, because I've been to Disneyland Resort, and so I've been on a lot of the rides that we rode today. A little different, but pretty much the same. And Space Mountain's still one of my favorites. So Danny had a good time too. He definitely enjoyed lunch the most. And I really liked the Haunted Mansion. He did well, but he didn't really like it. All out. It'll be our first time at all the other parks as well, and so it'll be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for that. That'll be soon.